Hey traders from around the world, this is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with, of course, Real Life Trading, and hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. So today is Friday. Weather out there is beautiful here in Nashville. Gorgeous sun, skies are blue. It's probably about 88 degrees and some change. Feels phenomenal. Looks and feels phenomenal. So I'm excited about this weekend. Probably will be recovering a little bit because apparently I'm living with patient X, aka Ashley. She got me. She got me sick. She always infects me, always. She gets sick first, I get sick, and that's usually how that works. So anyway, I'll probably just be relaxed and taking it easy to make sure I'm full health next week. Let's check out Tesla. So Tesla on earnings had a beautiful gap down and gapped down right to a support and got bought. So that's what I said would likely happen the day before earnings. So that was Wednesday. Gap down to a good location, got bought. So a lot of my traders are in some bull put spread. So Doug Baker's in some. Also checked out and considered a 200, 205 bull put spread. May week 5. That's really, really far away, all the way down here. Very nice spread. So really, the hourly and 2-hour chart on Tesla shows a little bit of a channel pattern. So let's hop over to the 2-hour. And the reason I'm doing 2 hours is because my hourly time frame is not working for some weird reason. Can't pull it up. Weird. So anyway, here's your support resistance. If Tesla trades back down to here, I don't think it does, but if it does, great buying location. And if it breaks out, comes back, retests, and continues, great buying location. So just really play this just like a channel. However it breaks out, however you trade it, great opportunities either way. So if it does break out, you want to take the breakout, great. I would only take the breakout if it trades sideways another 2 or 3 days, so Monday, Tuesday, and then if it breaks out on Wednesday, you could take it. But overall, Tesla does look bullish, at least in my opinion, up to about 259 and some change. Coming over here to Apple. Apple, decent gap today on Apple. Unfortunately, it didn't quite make it down to the 100 simple moving average, which is where I wanted it to get down to bounce off of that. But what might be happening on Apple is we might just be forming something like this, where we'll probably do something like that and then break out later in the future. So on Apple, if you're considering doing a bull put spreads or put sales down this general area, I do think that's probably the best case scenario on Apple right now. So I'm still bullish, more bullish to neutral on Apple. Alibaba, great gap up on Alibaba today. Yesterday. Well, it was a good gap up today as well. The 100 simple moving average is coming in on Alibaba, so that's about $90.27. Lita Roberts has a 92.50-95 bear call spread expiring this next week. So on Alibaba, made about an R and some change on Alibaba yesterday, about 1.1 R. So in the afternoon trading floor, we lost an R on Whole Foods and got a little bit over an R on Alibaba. So that was a green day overall for the R's. But what I'm interested in seeing is this 100 play out, good gap up, good resistance coming into play. It'll probably battle out for a little bit and maybe trade a little bit lower and then potentially pop in the future. So I'm still bullish to neutral, if you will, on Alibaba. Is a good gap. I'm keeping a close eye on it, but I'm just excited to see what it does. Looking at Amazon here, guys. Amazon, beautiful gap on Amazon. Troy, my good friend Troy, got into a 410, 407 bull put spread expiring this week. Talked about yesterday, 405, 400 bull put spread for May 22nd. This was a very, very obvious location to expect the bounce on Amazon. So if you haven't played it yet, I don't think you're missing it, at least right now. This is a retest gap, and so wait for a little bit of a pullback, maybe Monday, Tuesday, and then consider getting in, because really it's just a gorgeous gap, pulled right into the moving averages and is now bouncing. So definitely keep your eyes on Amazon. And if it were me, I'd be a little bit more bullish than bearish overall. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching this real life stock review. I truly do appreciate it. I hope to see you guys on Monday, where I'll look at the general market as well. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it.